morning, Manana. We are gathered here to witness and celebrate the marriage of these couples and ask God to bless them so we may be strengthened in their life together. We are called to rejoice in their happiness and find in their love a reason to renew our own commitments for those who are near and dear to us. Apo, is there anybody here who knows of any impediment about the marriage about to be contracted between these couples? Ada ko mo trate nga wedding Apo? Oo, let's continue. Yung picture no kayo. Ganda yung Lord. Anyway, tatak ka nga doon. Sumango ka din from Jayman na. Remy, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your husband-to-be? Derek, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your wife-to-be?
Yes, sir.
Very good. O sige nga duwa. Do you take upon yourselves the duties of the marriage of your own free will and voluntary deed? We do. We do. Yeah. O sige. Derek, will you have Remy to be your wife, to live together in marriage? Will you love her, comfort her, honor her, keep her in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, be faithful to her as long as you both shall live? Okay. Remy, will you have Derek to be your husband, to live together in marriage? Will you love him, comfort him, honor him, keep him in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, be faithful to him as long as you both shall live? Pagkisimusing, miniti mo. Follow after me. Magkabali baga. Pagkisimusing yun, Derek. Magkabali baga. I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, all that I have, I honor you. Sot mo nga. Sebet laang. Remy, follow after me. I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, all that I am, all that I have, I honor you. Sige, suot mo. Pilit mo yan. Okay, o, tatas, mga kayo parents mo. O, anamit ketso iba ka, payo, nagigyan ka sa... Sige, baga. Ha? Sige, baga, ito tumagay kami. Sige. Sige ta. Sige ta. Nakik yung payo, may tagi-check ka. Sige, nang, sige. Thank you. Ito yung Namit ketso pa ka, wish. Tinpayo. Advice.
Advice niya ngayon, pinulong kayo kumapiligan ka naman. Kaya apa?
Tang, ano kayo? Sige mga. O, tinwit ninang lagi dyan adapt to eh. Sumango kayo dyan dito. O, lang, starting. Anamit payo, kinwish, dyan kasama.
Mas mga tayo nga nag-riri kayo, hanyo ngay na palabsan, may sa daw, diretso nga bibinura kayo. Grabe yung pagtungtungan yun. At di, kuha na tapno, hanya higkat ko na ni Mama na ipiligat din ng sama kayo. Try nyo lang ano yung pagsapulan nyo, pag-unong kayo mo matupad yung amin ng pangarap yun. Every day, at i-save mo. Nagawa, save kayo. Wala nang basit lang, basta save kayo. Madali mapuputan, at masave nyo yung after.
Thank you. Thank you.
Kasi may advice ko man na yung anak ko. Bilang ang pangalawang ninang niyo, naganak ka niya. Da kami lang dito nga. Pero kayo nga ito, ito problema. Talagahan mo maiwasan yung problema ng asawa. At da kami lang dito nga. Si Supaybay kanya yun. Free kayo lang taka masinit kanya. And then lastly, kailangan talaga trust itong gantay sa tapos work out pamilya nyo sa bayan. Kaya lang
Thank you. Thank you.
Ikasama ka rin sa ako basta-basta ako kailangan niya magkakalihan kailangan niya kayo subaran bagos dapat niya subaran isang dawag niya na tapos tiwala lang itong galing sa kanya yung ano lang.
Talikod si Mabay ako. Thank you. Sige. Manen, sige. Derek, ikaw ang gini mo rin. More hands. Nagtamit, Remy. Anamit vow mo. Promise mo. Ini Derek as a wife. Awan na prepare mo. Sige, from the heart tayo. Thank you. Oh, tama to, Derek. Namat vows mo, promise mo as a husband. Magam kanya. Kita sana. Gawin lang iba. Paano after ni Derek, ha? I hereby take you, Remy. I hereby take you, Remy, to be my wife, to have and to hold, to be one of heart, one soul, and one affection. From this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, until we be parted by death. Parted by death. By death. This is my solemn vow. Sabit lang yan. I hereby take you, Derek, to be my husband, to have and to hold, to be one of heart, one soul, and one affection. From this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, until we be parted by death. This is my solemn vow. Okay? By the virtue of the power vested in me by the laws of the Republic of the Philippines, I, Benjamin Loren Quaresma III, Municipal Mayor of Pampanga, Vizcaya, confirm the vow of marriage which you have conducted and now pronounce you lawfully wedded husband and wife. Get pictures po sa likod. Sulto po. Sino na po, nagigi-witnesses man, dinong-dinang, i-witness mo nagpirma dati sango. Kapeksuram niyo. Firma.
Apat.
Isama lang yung paka-FCS. Yes, sumo po, Chair. Next group. Ay. O lalaki, mga lalaki. Okay, okay. Friends and family. Friends and family. Friends, sama friends yung... Ha? Ito kayo na, duwa kayo na.